ready to trade Ethereum like a pro, even while you're on the go. Today, we're diving into Unibot, your automated trading powerhouse right within Telegram. First, search for and start the Unibot on Telegram. The real Unibot should have a verified checkmark to avoid scams, so make sure you have the official one. Once you've initiated the chat, Unibot will guide you through the initial setup. The next step is linking your Ethereum wallet. Unibot supports various options like MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or Wallet Connect, offering you flexibility and ease of access. Choose your preferred wallet and follow the instructions to securely connect it to Unibot. Make sure your wallet has sufficient ETH for trading and gas fees. Now for the fun part, setting up your trades. You can customize your trading parameters within Unibot. Define your buy and sell amounts, set your desired slippage tolerance to avoid price impact, and configure gas fees to ensure your transactions are processed promptly. Once your parameters are set, you can execute trades directly through Unibot's interface. Simply input the token contract address or ticker symbol, confirm your settings, and let Unibot do its thing. You'll receive notifications within Telegram, confirming the successful execution of your trades. Unibot offers benefits like automated 24/7 trading, potentially faster execution, and the ability to react to market movements even when you're away. Remember, automated trading carries risks, including potential for impermanent loss and smart contract vulnerabilities. Always start small. Thoroughly research the tokens you trade, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Now you're equipped to start using Unibot. Good luck and happy trading.